Hi guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. Today we are playing Haunted Hunters. And I have not had a single win in Haunted Hunters. Why won't my thingy come up? But I bought this weird, crazy, glowy thingy. I wish I could pay to make me be better at this game, because I'm really bad at it. Okay. Oh. Why does my pumpkin say that? For those of you guys who have never played this game, I'm lucky you haven't. Because trying to win this game is very, very hard. But if you played it a lot, you probably think it's easy. Why me? Don't come for me. Oh, I need more energy. We have 3 more minutes to kill this guy. He's after me. No. I told you guys, I suck. So now we're just going to have to wait until this game ends. Okay, guys, the ghost won the game. Well, besides, I wouldn't have won anyways. So, I'm going to tell you guys which skin I'm trying to get. Okay, that's me. There's the Wicked Witch of the West. There's Frankenstein. There's Vampire. There's Mummy. Skeleton. And then there's the Werewolf. The Werewolf is what I want. But in order to get that, I need that. I'm nowhere close to 50. I'm at 60. Please not me, please not me, please not me, please not me. I would have sucked. Really bad. He's stuck. We gotta get a lot of energy for those guys. Besides, it's probably gonna take 15 of us to get this guy down right now. So there's 2 girls already in there. feeding him off, taking him down. So, I should probably go get some, all that energy now. Yes. Yes. The ghost hunters win. Woohoo! Woohoo! We won. We won. Oh, oh. Oh, guys. I bought this fake battery spawn minion. Heck yes. So, I actually was thinking again the vampire. After I saw the werewolf, my eyes were dancing. Five hunters remaining. Same thing happened last time. Well, Ghost almost dead. And dead. Ghost hunters win. 190. Yeah, I so can't get anything with 190, right? Yup. Guys, look at that. If someone was able to afford that, that must mean that they must be using Robux. Okay, one more round. Just for you guys. Only because I want to be the... Okay, wasn't it this time? Maybe next time we play Haunted Hunters. Okay, this map. Don't mind the barking. It's just my neighbors. Okay, since that was it. Since that one wasn't fair, we'll do another one. Let's see all the abilities first. EMP. Little lightning cloud. What? What? We have to get that. Boop, boop, boop. Yes. This is going to be fun. Even though I really, suck at being ghost. See, you guys, I have 0 wins. Wah, 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 wah. I had no idea that I grabbed this. I haven't been hit once, and I already got someone. Get back here, Naya. Okay, there's Chewy Chicken, and then there's Wheel. Oh my god! Yes, 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 yes. Maybe doing this on YouTube will really make me better. That was my first ghost win, and the end of the video.